Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and I wanted to show you the new Google feature that will allow you to create a comment bank and use pre-created comments when commenting on student work. So you do have to start in Classroom. The students either need to have an assigned doc where you've given each person a template and that they've filled in, or they can create their own doc and attach it to an assignment. So I just have three right here. I'm going to open up this first one, and I had just given instructions to create a doc for what you did on your summer vacation. So on the right hand side, you're going to see over here where it says comment bank. Now I've already created some comments, but to start your comment bank, you just click on the arrow and add to bank. I've created a few that are common comments that would go into students' work. So to create a comment, you will have to select part of the doc. So I'm going to select the sentence and go to insert comment right here. Now, to get my comment bank up, I'm going to hit the pound or the hashtag sign, and when I do, all of my comments are going to come up. Now, you don't have to use something from your comment bank. You could just type in a normal comment, and after you select your comment, you can, you're going to hit the comment button. Then you can give it a grade here if you wanted to. And then up here, you now can move to the next student. You do have the option to return as soon as it's graded, or you can wait until later, okay? But you can go to the next student, check theirs out. If you wanted to make a comment here, you can, and then go to the next comment or the next assignment and comment and grade on this one. When you're done, you can go back to Classroom to return, or you can return individually over here.